Do you want to set up access restrictions on your TP-Link router? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: setting up access restrictions on your TP-Link router. You can control your child's internet access by blocking inappropriate content, limiting their online time to 2 hours daily, and restricting internet usage during bedtime on weekdays. Here is how you can do so. Log in to your router. For that, open http://tplinkwifi.net in your web browser. Log in with your TP-Link ID or the password you set for the router. Navigate to Advanced, then Parental Controls. Toggle the option On. Now click on the Add button. Now create a new profile for a family member. Provide basic profile information like enter a name for the profile for easy identification. Click on Add Devices to add a device. Select the devices that belong to this profile. These devices will have the access restrictions applied to them. Click Add when done. Once you have added the device, click on Next. To customize the blocked content for this profile, navigate to the Content Filter section. Enter a keyword, for example Facebook, or a URL like www.facebook.com in the Deny List field. Now click on the Add button. Then select Next. All websites containing these keywords will be blocked. You can save time limit. Adjust the slider as required. Once done, click on Save to apply these settings. Now your child's internet access is now controlled, with limits on their online time and blocks on inappropriate content, ensuring a safer and more balanced internet experience. And there you have it, the way to set up access restrictions on your TP-Link router. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.